goodbye to glasses and improve your eyesight. Have you ever wondered exactly how many people on the planet have to wear glasses or contact lenses because their eyesight is far from ideal? The answer is approximately 75% of adults, according to the Vision Council of America. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a miracle plant. No wonder people have been using it as a natural medicine and beauty product for centuries. It turns out that it's a quick and effective tool for improving eyesight as well. It's a great source of important vitamins and antioxidants that help with white blood cell production and tissue recovery. More than that, it protects the delicate membranes covering your eyes. So, it's no surprise that aloe vera gel is the main ingredient in remedies to treat cataracts and strengthen the eye's cornea. What is especially important is that aloe vera helps keep down blood sugar levels, which can spike in people with diabetes. That's why you'll notice that many eye diseases are directly linked to diabetes. Let's delve into the ingredients and how-to of things. For those of you who want to get 100% fresh, high-quality aloe vera gel, you can follow the age-old saying, if you want something done right, you've got to do it yourself. Yep. That means you can keep aloe vera as a potted plant and make use of its magical leaves whenever you want. Not to mention, it'll make a beautiful decoration for your home. It's a good idea to cut and wash the leaves 10 days before you want to cook up some remedies using them. Always pick the large or medium-sized leaves and let those cute little baby leaves keep growing. Want your freshly picked aloe leaves to last longer? Put them in the fridge and mark your calendar for 10 days. So, you've got your plant, you've cut off some mature leaves. You need to know how to cut them open to get the thick, fleshy gel inside. Firstly, depending on how big your leaves are, you might want to cut them into 8-inch long strips. If they're already about this size, don't worry about this step. No matter what the size, cut off the pointy tip of the leaf. It's almost impossible to get the gel out of this part anyway. Next, remove the jagged spines along the edges with your knife, and then cut the leaf into 2 or 3-inch long segments. Turn the blade on its side and slowly slice the skin away from the fleshy aloe inside. Stay close to the skin so that you'll end up with the maximum amount of gel. Flip the leaf over and do the same for the other side. Skin the remaining segments and gather all the gel into a bowl. Use a blender to make a smooth mix. It'll get frothy, but that'll eventually disappear. For this recipe, you'll need 100 milliliters of aloe vera gel. If you came out with a little extra, it'll be safe and sound in a glass container for up to a week in the fridge. Freeze it or add some natural preservatives if you want to keep and use it for longer than that. Aloe vera is effective enough when used alone, but we'll spice it up with the following ingredients: 1 pound of ground walnuts, 300 milliliters of pure honey and freshly squeezed juice from 4 lemons. Use a blender to mix all the ingredients smoothly together. Take 1 spoon of this magical concoction 3 times a day, 30 minutes before each meal. If you eat more often than 3 times a day, just remember that we're talking about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 1 course of this eyesight treatment lasts a month. Always take a 2-week break between monthly treatments. Preparing this remedy, especially extracting the aloe vera gel, might sound like a lot of work, but the results will be so amazing. It's totally worth the effort, and the results are indisputable. Within the first month, you'll feel the rejuvenating effect it has on your eyes.